Similar to checking for header tags, we want to look for certain text formatting that is good for search engines and visitors. Because remember, we're not just solely focusing on search engines because websites are created for visitors, so we need to make sure that they look good to them. There are 3 text formatting techniques that you can use, and those are creating lists, whether it's a bulleted list or a numbered list, bolding text, and italicizing text. Bolding or italicizing text tells search engines what is important on the page, what is included on this page. So if there are places within your content where you list keywords, such as here we have landscaping services, we may want to bold that or italicize it. Now this does not mean go through and bold or italicize every single keyword. Highlight it where it's important, and you can do that a couple times in a page. If you're not sure which text formatting to use, think about your visitor first. What would be helpful to them? People often scan a page quickly, they don't read long pages, so what do you want to jump out to them? And then that's the text formatting that you should go with. Another thing, in looking at this services page, visitors are not likely to read through all of this. So what they may be able to do is, when they include their header tags, to be able to summarize some of these into bullet points so that people can quickly jump to the service that they would like and then quickly see what would be involved with that particular service. So again, think about the 3 top text formatting techniques you can use, which is using lists, bolding text, or italicizing text.